guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina Medana back with a new vlog. So today we are just gonna make this slime. So that's gonna be like a childhood nostalgia. By the way, I've never ever in my life, I have never tried making slime. But yeah, I have used it like the already banaya slime. But I have never tried making it myself. So this is the perfect time to make sparkling strawberry jam slime. So it has a sparkling clear slime texture. And it's from Cup Slime. What's the company? It's from DIY Science. So without wasting any time, let's just get started. Yeah, so let's just get started. First of all, we're going to be unboxing and see what's inside this box of slime. So सबसे पहले we have this slime activator gel. Okay. Then we have this Cup Slime, a product by DIY Science. My cup of good size. Oh my god, that looks so tempting. It's like a bloody red jam kind of texture. It's cute, by the way. And we also have some sparkle. Okay, if in case we want to make it look sparkling, which we are going to be doing it, of course. Then we have this manual. That's a, oh my god, there are like lot of different slime. So हम जो बनाने जा रहे हैं आज वो है strawberry jam slime. So they have unicorn glitter slime, they have cookie cream slime kit, they have mint chocolate butter slime kit, and they have golden jewel slime kit, Halloween vibe slime kit, blue galaxy slime kit. So there are like a lot of slime, and there are more. Oh my god, there's candy slime kit, this kiwi cube slime kit, mango delight slime kit, chocolate frosting slime kit, funfetti cake slime, aqua pearl slime. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Okay, caution, never eat the slime. Okay, it's toxic. Just because it is strawberry, so they also gave this strawberry stickers or whatever it is, particles that looks like strawberries. And then we have a tissue for I don't know what, but we have a tissue, and then we have these sticks maybe to mix it all. Okay, so let's see now. So this was all inside the box. Now we're going to start making it. How to make slime at home. Step 1 is wash your hands with soap. So my hands are already clean. Carefully remove the seal of the glue cap and mix the glue well with a mixing stick provided with the kit. Okay, first of all हमें ये glue cap जो है कप स्लाइम में मतलब इसे खोलना है और अच्छे से इसे मिक्स करना है पूरा. ठीक है. Empty the pouch of glitter powder into the glue and mix it well to ensure that the glitter is spread evenly. Then उसमें हमें ये glitter डालना. अभी पहले मैं बता देती हूँ सारा, उसके बाद हम करेंगे एक एक करके चीजें सारी. Now slowly add the slime activator gel a little at a time in your cup and mix the glue with the mixing stick until it stops sticking to the wall of the cup and your hands. If you add more activator than necessary, your slime will become hard and brittle. If you add less, your slime will become sticky. So अगर आपको sticky slime बनाना है या hard बनाना है तो आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है और कोशिश करना balanced है. Now take your slime in your hands and start kneading and stretching it till it get a smooth consistency. Perfect slime is stretchy and smooth. So हमें smooth and stretchy बनाना है to make your slime perfect. It's very important to knead it well. Do this by stretching and folding many times until it has a smooth texture and it is really stretchy. Let your slime set for few hours in the given container before you start playing with it. Once your slime is properly set, decorate your slime with the given sprinkles. Now with your okay. Anyway, ये हमें बनने के बाद इसको बस decoration purpose के लिए डालना है. अभी हम start करते हैं, but before that I just yeah. So let's start now. सबसे पहले इसको खोलते हैं. Okay, so let's start making it. तो सबसे पहले हम ये बॉक्स को खोलेंगे and let's see. Okay, so it's all packed. I have to be super careful while doing it. Ouch. It's quite liquidy right now. Okay, the texture is quite liquidy and इसको पूरा निकाल लेते हैं बाद में वरना परेशानी करेगी ये चीज़. Okay, so first we'll be like mixing it with the help of this stick and yeah, just mix it first a lot. Oh, I was just about to spill it. अब मुझे समझ आया ये क्यों है. ये हाथ अपने साफ करने के लिए because ये काफी ज़्यादा sticky है. Just look at this how sticky it is. I think it's enough. Or should I mix it more? Okay, just add some glitter now. Okay, we'll add. मैं सारा glitter डालूंगी because मुझे कुछ करना है नहीं glitter का इसके बाद. So just add the whole thing at once. Just look at this. Oh my god, that looks glittery now. काफ़ी क्यूट और ग्लिटरी सा हो गया. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन ऐड योर पर्सनल स्टफ ऑल्सो, ओके, टू डेकोरेट इट. डजेंट मैटर कि सिर्फ ये सब डालना है. अगर आपके पास कुछ और भी है जो आप अपने स्लाइम में ऐसे ऐड करना चाहते हैं, लाइक पर्ल्स और एनीथिंग, यू कैन जस्ट ऐड इट. ओके, बट आई थिंक दिस इज इनफ. I have more glitters, but I don't want to make it like super glittery. I think this kind of glittery is nice. You know, that looks so cute as well. That looks so scrumptious. It looks like a strawberry jam. I want to eat it. No, do not eat it. It's toxic. Make sure you just wash your hands after using all these things properly. Now it's time to add the activator. It's a slime activator gel. And okay, this is not toxic, but yeah, overall the slime should not be like eaten. Okay, wait a second. It's written this is non-toxic, 100% safe for kids, but that still does. See, it's 100% non-toxic, but still don't consume it. Yeah, that is what I meant. But anyway, so yeah, this is a slime activator gel. Fundu Labs, Creative Learning PPT. Anyway, just add this thing very slowly, okay? Like drop by drop. Suppose I'm adding 2-3 drops first. Adding more. I'm making slime. Oh, it's getting hard. It's getting hard now. Just look at this. It has become a lump now. It looks like a blood clot. More than a jam. Okay, we are going to be adding more. Just look at this. It has become thick now. It's a bit hard work. You know, it's not that easy. It's not that easy to make a slime. It's hard. It's a lot of hard work. Plus, you should have this skill. You know, that coffee hitne wali skill you should have. I don't want to make it like super hard. I just want to make it not too sticky, nor I want to make it hard. Like I want to make it soft and bearable. I don't know if I should add more or not. It's difficult to understand if I should put more activator or not. So I have like a lot of activator, but I'm assuming that I should add all the activator because I don't know where to use it after that. So look at this. I think I need to read the manual as well because it's going to be taking a lot of time. It's taking a lot of time. Lot. It's going to evenly. Okay, we have to do it till it stops getting stick to the wall of the container. But अभी ये काफ़ी stick तो कर रहा है wall पे. मतलब पूरा ना ऐसा हो जाएगा कि you can just मतलब अपने hand पे से ले सकते हैं. तब तक ये करते रहना है. Just look at this. Oh my god, that's so fun. ये ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ आइसक्रीम टाइप का कुछ दैट व्हाट डू वी से दैट दैट चुस्की टाइप ऑफ थिंग. क्या बोलते हैं इसे? ओ ओके, आई एम एडिंग लॉट ऑफ activator now because I just can't. I don't have so much of patience now. Oh, that looks scary now. My hand is aching and I don't know where to stop. Okay, it's sticking to the walls. See, I don't know what is. I think ये बंद रहा है अब, थोड़ा सा फील हो रहा है कि it is, you know, reaching to its potential. Should I add more activator? But you know, it's getting very difficult to holofy it because my hands are aching now and it's becoming super hard. Like, ouch. I'm not going to be putting more activator, I guess. No. God, it's sticking to the walls. Oh my god, I give up, I guess. Just look at this. Should I add more activator? Ouch, my hands are, I think I need to take some rest. बहुत मुश्किल है, it's not easy. ये तो बिल्कुल बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल है, बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल है भाई. हाथ में पूरा दर्द हो गया मेरे. It's becoming, see, just look at this. Should I add more activator? Just look at this. I think I should remove it now. Oh, just look at this. ये क्या बन गया है? I think it's already too hard. I want to. Ouch. It's very difficult to go further ahead in this thing because ये बहुत ज़्यादा sticky है. But अभी भी ये कहीं ना कहीं walls से stick कर रहा है इसके. Should I add more activator? I think थोड़ा सा activator और डाल देती हूँ. No, just in case. कुछ ज़्यादा डाल दिया, I guess. Oh, that's the most funniest and the difficult thing ever. It looks very easy to make slime, but oh my god, I don't know if it's something which is for kids because my hands are aching making this slime. It's super sticky. Just look at the it looks like a tongue. ये किसकी ज़बान है इतनी लंबी? No. Should I add more activator? I think I should add more activator. Yeah, let's just add more. I think आटा गूंदना would be easier than this making slime. Okay guys, so अब ये देखो बिल्कुल ऐसे walls से ना वो होना बंद हो जाएगा stick. तब आपको ये निकाल लेना अपने हाथ में, फिर इसे बनाना है. And just make sure कि सारा आप इसे ना अच्छे से निकाल ले ताकि वेस्ट ना हो बिल्कुल भी. Just don't waste it. Okay, now it's in my hands. Okay, अब time है the real work. Oh, that is so soft and cute. Wow, it's like a relaxing therapy now. जो अभी इतनी देर तक हाथ में दर्द हो रहा था, ये करके मतलब ये अब कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है. Just a second. थोड़ा sticky है, थोड़ा सा I think activator और लगा लेना चाहिए था. But let's see. बट इसमें लिखा था ना कि अगर कम रखेंगे तो स्टिकी रहेगा, तो हाँ थोड़ा सा एक्टिवेटर आई थिंक और लगा देती हूँ. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. आई डोंट वांट टू मेक इट टू स्टिकी ऑल्सो ना, सो लेट्स जस्ट ऐड सम मोर एक्टिवेटर. ओके. Okay, now I think it's completely you can use it like I want कि पूरा इसमें से भी निकले, मतलब पूरा इतना स्मूथ हो जाए कि मतलब ये देखो. अभी हमें इसे बहुत देर तक ना स्ट्रेच करते रहना है ताकि ये अच्छे से और ज़्यादा बन जाए. यू हैव टू स्ट्रेच इट लाइक. ओके, अब ये टूट रहा है, अभी ये नहीं बना पूरा. स्लाइम शुड भी ऐसे होना चाहिए कि मतलब ये जब आप खींचे इसे स्ट्रेच करें तो ये काफ़ी लंबा जाए. दैट चीज़फुल काइंड ऑफ थिंग. बट अभी ये टूट रहा है। जस्ट लुक एट दिस, अभी हमारा स्लाइम नहीं बना है। ओके जस्ट अभी थोड़ी देर यही करते रहेंगे। जस्ट लुक एट दिस, ये अभी बिल्कुल ऐसे बन रहा है। अभी हमें ये चीज़ नहीं चाहिए। आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड ऐड मोर एक्टिवेटर टू इट, शुड आई ऐड और नॉट, आई डोंट नो। ओह माय गॉड, ये मैंने क्या बेवकूफ़ी करी है। व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस स्टूपिड। आई थिंक आई शुड ऐड मोर एक्टिवेटर बिकॉज ये अभी भी ना काफ़ी स्टिकी है। एक्टिवेटर इसी में डाल देता। ओके अब ये काफ़ी स्मूथ लग रहा है। ये चीज़ अभी टूटनी नहीं चाहिए। आई डोंट नो ये कब तक ठीक होएगा। तो अभी ये बनेगा नहीं, पहले हमें इसे बहुत देर तक ना थोड़ा स्ट्रेच करना है, फोल्ड करना है, और उसके बाद हमें कंटेनर में ही इसे रख देना है थोड़े टाइम के लिए। सो फर्स्ट बस स्ट्रेच करो और ऐसे फोल्ड करो, स्ट्रेच करो फोल्ड करो, स्ट्रेच करो फोल्ड करो, स्ट्रेच करो फोल्ड करो, स्ट्रेच करो फोल्ड करो, स्ट्रेच फोल्ड, स्ट्रेच फोल्ड, स्ट्रेच फोल्ड, स्ट्रेच फोल्ड। स्लाइम गिर गया। ग्रोथ ऑफ स्लाइम। अब मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें एक्टिवेटर और डालूंगी और थोड़ी देर में ये स्ट्रेच एंड वाला गेम खेल के आई बी लाइक कीपिंग इट फॉर सम टाइम। ओके सो आई एम जस्ट, अब इसको थोड़ी देर कंटेनर में रख देना है और जस्ट लेट इट सिट फॉर सम टाइम्स, just let it sit for some time, and उसके बाद we will be adding some decoration to it and we can start playing with the slime, but till then just wait for some time। और अभी तक एक्टिवेटर बचा है, मैंने ऑलमोस्ट आधा एक्टिवेटर डाल दिया है। मुझे ज़्यादा ये था कि ज़्यादा हार्ड ना बन जाए, वरना मैं सोच रही थी पूरे डालूँ क्योंकि आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई डू विद दिस थिंग, बट एनीवे लेट्स सी कि कैसा बनता है एंड में। तो ये सारी चीज़ें थी इस डब्बे के अंदर, और या सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू सी कि कैसा बनता है। अभी हम इसे ऐसे बंद करके रख देते हैं और थोड़ी देर में आके देखते हैं कि हमारा स्लाइम रेडी है खेलने के लिए कि नहीं। सो या मेक श्योर आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस, आफ्टर मेकिंग द स्लाइम, जस्ट मेक श्योर टू वॉश योर हैंड्स प्रॉपर्ली विद सोप, एंड या अभी हम मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर बाद। सो आई एम जस्ट गोना गो एंड टेक सम नैप, also taking this with me। okay so it's time to test it कि ये कैसे बनना है, मतलब if it's like looking like a slime or it's working properly। just look at this। okay तो ये काफ़ी सही चीज़ लग रही है, बट बिफोर इसको निकालने से पहले मैं सोचूं कि थोड़ा सा डेकोरेट कर देता हम इससे। so for decoration we are just gonna put all these strawberries into the slime, not the packet। how cute, these are like rubber strawberries। अब हम इसे निकालते हैं। हमारा स्लाइम शायद परफेक्ट शायद बना है। अच्छी डेकोरेट। सो जस्ट लुक एट दिस, द स्लाइम इज रेडी आउट। अब यू कैन प्ले विद इट एंड जस्ट स्क्वीज इट। यार सानिया, स्लाइम से क्या करते हैं और like what is the benefit of it? कुछ इसका यूज होता है? Yes, just for squeezing। like how do you play? like how do you play with it? तुमने नहीं कभी स्लाइम यूज करा? but anyway I think this is for stress buster purposes if I'm not wrong। बाकी टूटा। बाकी और क्या यूज हो सकता है स्लाइम का? I don't know, it's just cute। I think this is the only sole purpose of using slime, which is like just for fun, you know, just yeah, that's it। we did it। we just made our very first own slime, and it's called the strawberry jam slime। okay, that's it। thank you guys for watching the vlog। we're gonna be coming with these kind of DIY science kits, and I just love exploring these kind of DIY science kits or anything। yeah, so that was all. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. I'll be back with new videos super soon. Or before ending this video, I just wanna show you that I have some parcels with me over here, and in the next video I'm going to be unboxing these Smitten parcels. So जिन लोगों को Smitten vlogs पसंद है, the next video is for you. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. 안녕히 계세요.